In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume and CV using Canva. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to make a change, having a polished resume is crucial. Canva, a versatile design platform, offers a straightforward way to create a professional looking resume without the need for design skills. Let's get started and walk through the process together. First, go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is free and really quick. Once you're on the main page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. In that search bar, type resume and hit enter. This will bring you to a wide array of resume templates, each designed to cater to different professional needs. Take a moment to scroll through the various template options. You'll notice categories that might suit different professions or styles, from creative to corporate. Choose a template that resonates with your personal style and the image you wish to project to potential employers. Once you've found one you like, click on it. After selecting your template, you'll see a button labeled Customize this template. Click this button to open the template in Canva's editor. This is where you'll work your magic and begin personalizing your resume. Now comes the fun part, editing your resume. You'll see placeholders for text where you can enter your personal information, such as your name, contact details, and any relevant career experience. Take your time here. Be sure to include key elements like your professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. It's important that your content is clear, concise, and tailored to the job you're applying for. Remember, editing is not just about inputting text. You can change fonts, adjust colors, and even add or remove sections. Canva provides a user-friendly interface with plenty of customization options, allowing you to ensure that your resume reflects your unique personality and professional style. If you're going for a minimalistic look, keep things simple. If you want something a bit more eye-catching, feel free to explore different fonts and color schemes, but remember that readability is key. If you make a mistake or wish to try a different approach, don't worry. Canva automatically saves your work, and you can easily undo changes. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're ready for the final step. To download your new resume, click on the Share button in the top right corner, followed by Download. Here, you can choose from various formats like PDF, which is typically preferred for sharing resumes due to its professionalism and compatibility. And there you have it, a beautiful personalized resume ready to wow potential employers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I wish you the best of luck as you pursue your career opportunities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.